It's that time again. Here we are at the opening fixture. Welcome to Dream League Soccer. First, let's run through use the control stick, move your player around. This is the low kick button. This is the hard kick button. Use this. This is the lofted kick button. Use when in possession. Swipe on the right when the ball is in the air. Dump. Now we've been through the controls. Let's get into the match. Well, the players can't. You've lost possession. Now we'll run through the culture. Use the B button to pressure the ball. Use the A button. Use the C button to change the active player. Let's get back to the action. Good ball. That's nicely played. Not a great challenge. Good ball. That's good link-up play. Well cut out. They're just looking to keep the ball. He's cut it back inside. Good interception. Good ball. That one has gone out of play. He's headed the ball forward. The striker picks it up. Defending. Passed well. And dispossessed there. And with the defender now. The striker picks it up. He's got the ball at his feet. He failed to connect with that tackle. Distributes the play. Great chance here. Shoots! Oh, that was a real chance. No goal. Let's see how close it was. Cleared forward by the goalkeeper. He's read that one absolutely perfectly. The striker picks it up. Oh, he must score. He got a good hand behind that. Incredible reactions from the goalkeeper there to keep the shot out. Let's take another look. And that one swung into the box. Gets the header in. Good effort there. That's an easy call. It's a goal kick. The fans thought it had gone in, but let's see how close this was to a goal. Cleared forward by the goalkeeper. Passed well. Oh, well intercepting. It's with the striker now. Oh, a chance now to turn defence into attack. We're only at half-time then. Let's hope for some goals in the second half. So, neck at half-time. Next 45 minutes should prove decisive here. Missed challenge there. That's nicely played. The attacker is in possession. It's with the striker. It's with the striker now. Can he get a shot in? Shoots! Goalkeeper eases the pressure. The match is all tied, but they're on the front foot and going for goal. Ooh, quality defending there. Back towards the centre. Good distribution. The striker picks it up. Great technique. Dangerous tackle there. Some of your players are getting tired. You should bring on a substitute. To do this, pause the game and enter a team match. Oh, so close.
Well, let's see that again. Oh, a bad miss.